there is an economic perspective on the problem. Of course, it's very hard to estimate how much money we're talking about. But the World Bank estimates that per year it's 20 to 40 billion US dollars that are stolen or embezzled and that need to be repatriated. Now, you will say that's not a very accurate estimation, between 20 and 40 billion. But I do think that it gives us an indication of the economic importance. And if you consider that most of this money comes from developing countries, each dollar that is embezzled or that is stolen is $1 less for development. And that is a connection that is increasingly seen. And I think that also gives us more importance to the work that is being done. Before coming to the Arab Spring and before telling you a bit what we have done over the past 1.5 years, I would just like to very quickly recapitulate the legal framework that is still in most countries the framework to deal with asset recovery cases. It all starts, of course, with the most important, perhaps, that's prevention of corruption. Because asset recovery, you could argue, it's like extinguishing the fire. If you have to repatriate stolen assets, it's because everything up to the repatriation has not worked. There was not enough prevention of corruption. As long as Ben Ali was in power, and that's the classical setup, you don't get any facts from the country because there is no cooperation whatsoever. And in that situation, it's very important that you can act quickly, because the Constitution allows us to freeze the funds with a decision of the government. And that is exactly what the Swiss government did on the 19th of January. It took them 5 days to freeze the funds with a view to seeking Tunisian cooperation to be able to repatriate the funds. Immediately reacted because they said that's now the time to cooperate with the new authorities.